and welcome to the channel, guys. It's dark, we're in the woods, and I'm going to share with you how to troubleshoot no tail lights, no license plate lights, no dash lights on almost any vehicle. This is Volkswagen Golf Mark 3, but it doesn't really matter. Let's go and verify the problem, what we have, and no lights. Okay, let's turn the key to the on position. Okay, let me close the door. My headlights are working, but no illumination on the dash, on the instrument cluster. And let's go verify the tail lights. Look at that, no tail lights, and as you can see, no license plate lights. Let's go check the headlights. We have a headlights are working. I'm going to take you step by step how to troubleshoot this issue, and if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, feel free, whatever you do it. Thank you so much. And first of all, okay, let's turn this thing off. Okay, I already checked the fuses and I checked the bulbs. They're all good, but we'll show you how to do it. Good morning, everyone. Last night we verified the issue, and today we're going to continue. And yeah, as I said, let's go check the fuses, check the bulbs. Just going to show you. Okay, you need to locate where the fuses are on your car, on Volkswagen. They're under the steering column over here. You see the fuses. I already pulled the cover, and that's we're going to find the fuse. Usually manufacturers, they put fuses laid out. I know Ford doesn't. And we're interested in fuse number 7, tail and side lights right, fuse number 8, tail and side lights left. And let's go down and see what else. No backup. We have turn signals, and yeah, let's go check those 8 and 7. Thank you, Volkswagen. He marked the fuses, those two. Let's just pull them out and see. See, fuse is not blown, fuse is good, number 7 is good. It's just a simple step, so it's where you start looking for. I know it's kind of sounds very like simple, but you start with basics. Okay, we have a good fuses, we verify that, and fuses are good. Let's go and check the bulbs. If you don't know, it will be helpful. If you know, you can skip it. Here we go. I opened up my trunk and try this. I already see, I pulled the taillight assembly unit, and just to check visually, you can check the continuity and stuff like that, but you just look for those spirals, and yeah, they're all good. Just make sure they're not burned, and yeah, we're interested in this guy, and yeah, check the rest. But we know brake lights, turn signals are working, backup lights, and those two small guys, they're fine too. Okay, also we can check the ground on another side, which is on the right. We have our ground here. As you can see, there's a ground or the taillight unit. See, the wire is good, it's going all the way down to the connector, and we have a ground here, all looks solid. And I don't see any moisture, water intrusion, corrosion. And just visually inspect, you know, what we're looking for. First, we're going to look for contact points. What I mean by that, where possibly wire or wiring harness can rub against the sharp metal edges and make a circuit open. What I mean by that, just electricity won't be able to flow from positive to negative and make things work. And let's pop the hood. Where's the most likely harness can be damaged? Right, where's the source of heat, vibration, which is under the hood. And a little bit of history about this vehicle. Everything was working, and the vehicle was parked for 10 months in a garage, and after we pulled it out, and there's no lights. Probably maybe rodents chewed something or something failed. This is 26 years old. And just go look down for any harness issues, and look if any sign of the rodents or any damage to the harness or issues you see. There's a tester tape, all looks good. Just to go and do the visual inspection. In 50% you can spot the issue just by looking on the harness, and just follow the wiring harness. I see the harness is good on this side, all factory, and go down, check where the bands could be, possibly touch the metal parts or so. And we know we have headlights. Okay, I don't see any issues on this side. Let's go inside the vehicle and start digging over there. Second thing for this job, just get a test light. Just a simple $5 test light for any automotive hardware store. Get this tool, it's super handy. Okay, in wiring diagrams, this is a Mitchell for this vehicle. I downloaded it online. I found it even for free. But you can subscribe to the Mitchell and get the wiring diagrams. It's worth it. It's like a city map. If you're looking for something particular in the city, certain avenue, street, location, address, you need a diagram. I will tell you how to read. Okay, let's just verify the our power distribution. Okay, we have our battery here. As we checked from the battery, there's a main harness is coming to the switch. This is our dimmer. This is our headlight switch on and off here. And we have a fuses. We went and checked those numbers 8, number 7, and also there's number 3 for the license plate lights, but we don't have none of that, like no license plate, no dash lights, no tail lights. And we see the power flows from positive to negative. And why something doesn't work, because it could be shorted to the ground or to the power, or it can be just open circuit, just a wire is broken or switch is not working and electricity cannot flow. And see this wire, a red wire with a yellow tracer. It's going to switch to the switch terminal number 11. Let's go check that guy over here. Do we have input? We have input to the switch and output. See, and as output it's going through the fuse down to the bulbs, left, right, license plate lights. There's our lights. Let's go verify if do we have the input to the switch terminal 11. Need a test light. Let's find the ground. I will grab a ground under the driver's seat, because I would like to close the door. Don't let me. Oh, before we'll do that, let's test if our test light is working, because the bulb might be burned. Let's hook up this one to the negative and see. Not too much. It's lit. Yeah. Our test light tested. Good. Now we can go and check for the power coming to the switch. I don't want to keep a door open. As soon as I put a key in ignition, it will start beeping. Okay, let's put a key in. Will be too much. Okay, let's turn to the on position. Good enough. Close the door. Okay, oh, that's better. Let's roll the window down. It's getting up to 30 degrees Celsius. Pretty hot. Already pulled the headlight switch unit out. Just make a video shorter. You don't want to fight with this on a Volkswagen. You just simply push this tab and it will unlock this teeth, and you can pull it out. You need a pry even, and this one's easy. Click. Okay, and we need to check the power supply. Remember, we found the wire, red wire, the thick one with a yellow tracer. Pin number 11. This is our power input to the switch from the battery. Let's check if we have a power here coming. One hand doing things and one hand filming. Okay, our key turned to the on position. Let's turn our headlights on and check the power. I'm just touching at the. Okay, let's just turn it this way and check that we have a power. Look, yeah, test light lit. We have a power to the switch. That's nice. Yeah, power is coming to the switch, and let's now check the output. If switch is sending power to the lights. Sweet, we have the input to the switch. Let's test the working circuit, which is pins number 2, number 5, white and black, black and yellow to the headlight system. We know our headlights are working. Let's check those two terminals. All right, we need to flip the switch and find those terminals, black and white and black, those 5 and 2. See if we have an output, and it should be, because our headlights are good. Number 5, black and white, touch it, lit. And let's go to number 2 and test this guy. Okay, see, number 2, we have a output from the switch to the headlights. Working circuit verified. Good. All right, next thing, we're going to check the here. We're going to check the output for our license plate lights, bulbs, and our tail lights. Number 7, number 14, and number 6 over here. And we should see the power same as we saw on this side. Okay. We're still from 1 to 7. 6 and 7, we're interested in those ones. Let's test. We should see the light, test light lit, and it's nothing. Stay this one. Make sure I'm touching. Yeah, I am. I have a contact. Is nothing. No output, and as you can see, my switch is on. Yeah, for the lights. And let's do the 14 on this side. 14 is for my left side tail light. Let's check this guy. I hope it will have something. No output from the switch. Nothing, literally nothing. I mean, power is coming to the switch. We have the power coming from the switch to the headlights, and there's nothing to the tail lights and dash lights. Okay. And also, as a note, as on many vehicles, when you turn the light switch to the on position, you see this one should lit, but when I turn, it's nothing. See, it still stays dark, and back there's nothing. And seems like to me it's a switch problem, but could be something else. Who knows? Okay, original switch pulled out, and we have a replacement part from the local junkyard, and the same switch, and it's made in Germany. Let's install this guy, and that should help. Switch from the junkyard installed. Let's turn the key on. Okay, let's start it. That's sound. Okay, switch is on. Let's go and check our lights. Oh yeah, baby, look. Oh, we have lights. Yeah. Ooh, this is a fix. Okay, good. Lights are working, and we have a dash lights as well. Look, yeah, sweet. Okay, this is how you fix the no instrument cluster, dash lights, no taillights, no license plate on your vehicle. And this is a Volkswagen Golf Mark III. Thank you so much.